Beyond giving out goods, an NGO also gives out money. A funds disbursement pays a beneficiary directly, and if we pay by bank transfer, we need the beneficiary's account on file first. From the donations menu, we open beneficiaries. We open one of our manual beneficiaries and add their bank details. We look up Fatima Bello. Down in the bank and collection details, we fill in where a transfer to this beneficiary should go, the bank, the account number, the account name, and the sort code. We save the beneficiary. Now the account is on record for any transfer we pay them. Now the disbursement itself. From the donations menu, we open Disburse funds. Unlike giving out goods, paying cash does not post to the ledger straight away. It raises a voucher that must be approved and then paid, and only the payment posts the accounting, so nothing is ever double counted. We fill in every field. First the beneficiary source, then the beneficiary, our own register, and Fatima Bello. We pay by bank transfer, and the moment we choose it, the beneficiary's bank account we just saved is shown, so whoever pays it has the account in front of them. Then the bank account the money is paid from, the amount, and the currency. The program or relief expense account is filled in for us automatically from company settings. The program it belongs to, then the purpose, any restrictions, a description and remarks. The distribution date defaults to today. Every field complete, we raise the disbursement. ZetaFisc creates a voucher for the beneficiary that now waits for approval. The disbursement is now in the donations disbursed list, tagged funds, and its status follows the voucher. We open it to reach the voucher. The record shows the linked payment voucher and its status. We open the voucher. The voucher starts as a draft, so first we submit it for approval. Now it needs a real approval. This is not a rubber stamp, the approver must confirm with their approval PIN and their signature. We click Approve. The approval box asks for the approver's signature and PIN. This approver already has a signature on file, so we choose Use Safe Signature, enter the 4-digit approval PIN, and load the signature. With the signature loaded and the PIN entered, we submit the approval. The voucher is approved. The approval, with who signed it and when, is recorded on its trail. Approved is not the same as paid. Paying it is what actually pulls the money out of the bank, so we record the payment now. We choose the bank account the money leaves from. The amount is the voucher total and the payment date is today. We record the payment. The payment is recorded, and only now does the accounting post, debit the program or relief expense, credit the bank. The voucher is marked paid. Back in the donations menu, we open donations disbursed to see the disbursement from the charity side. The disbursement now reads paid, and it shows the attached voucher, also paid. Because the ledger only moved when the voucher was paid, and not when the disbursement was first raised, the program expense is recognized exactly once, so there is no double counting.